Okay, we're out at the truck now. I'm going to take some measurements before we start taking things apart. We have the rear shocks on. The front stock is right at 40 inches when you line it up on the center line of the wheel. It's right at 40 inches to the bottom of the wheel well. We're going to see what it looks like after we get done. I didn't take any film of the rear shocks because that's pretty simplistic. It's 2 bolts, one at the top, one at the bottom. You can see the bracket for holding the remote oil reservoir, very nicely done. Other places charge you for them. It's included with the Fox shocks. I've been very impressed with the shocks and their quality. Can't wait to get them out here on the road and see how they work on the road. But the Carli kit comes with new brake lines, stainless steel with a heavy plastic sheeting on the outside. The coils, I can tell you right now, are much thicker and heavier than the stock ones, and longer, of course. You know, they say it's going to be a better ride quality than stock. Remains to be seen. We'll let you know, but it sure is a nice, very well put together kit. I'm very impressed with the quality, the fit, the finish. You'd be hard pressed to find a better kit out there than the Carli or the Icon, in my opinion. I've installed both on vehicles, BDS, Rough Country, Pro Comp. I've played with them all over the years, and so far the Icon, of course, is one of the best, just out of my price league. But the Carli, reasonably priced for what you get. I am extremely impressed, and I can't wait to see these sway bar links that are supposed to be here today. But so far, very impressed. Stay tuned. Okay, here's a look at the difference in the springs. The big black one is the Carli. The little bitty one is the stock Ford. Notice the distance in the coils. This one will coil bind sooner than this one, but with more coils per inch, you get a more firm ride. And it's supposed to be progressive rated, and they claim a better ride than stock. We shall see. Just a quick update. That's the spring. It's very straightforward, just a few bolts. Biggest thing is make sure that you have enough clearance to let the axle down, take the center bolt off, and it comes right out of there. Very easy to do.